Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Hollywood Glam palette from IBY. This is an indie brand and I've had their City Limits palette before and absolutely love it, so super excited to be trying this out. And I will have an extra palette of this that's going to be in the 2020 fall giveaway, so if you like this, know that it'll be in that. If you are new to my channel, my first impressions videos is where I try to put all these shades on my eyeballs. Sometimes it's successful, sometimes it's not, but I give it a try. And all that really does is give me a feel for the color story of the palette and how well the formula is, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to swatch these colors and be right back. Alright, so these are the colors we are working with. There is 12 of them. I've been able to get 12 on before. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it today, but we're going to try. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. First color I am going into is going to be this color right here, and this is Sunset. Sunset Boulevard. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is Megastar. So next color I'm going to go in with is this one right here. This is Walk of Fame. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color right here called Celebrity, and then I'm going to go in with this color right under it called Hollywood. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Dramatic. I'm going to use Late Night as well. I think I'm going to go in with this color right here, Starlit. Okay, so we're going to make that a little bit more fun and go in with Award. So under the eyes, we're going to go in with Diva and Legend. so now we're going to go in with the very last color, Leading Lady. I'm going to put that in the corner of the eyes, and I might put it in some other places. I haven't decided yet. I did go ahead and blend the eyeshadow out a little bit more to make it a little bit smoother because I felt like it needed it. Now we're going to go into bottom eyeliner, and I'm using Grapevine by Marc Jacobs. For top liner, this is what we're using. Okay, so for mascara, we are using Marc Jacobs. Alright, for lip color, we are using Fenty Beauty, and this is... I can't read the shade, but anyways, it's Fenty Beauty, and that's what we're using for lips. Alright, here is the finished look. Colors swatched very beautifully, no problem there. The colors, I do feel like they were different enough that you could easily create different looks with it. There is... really, this is the only matte here. Like, everything else has a little bit of a sheen to it, which is fine for me because I like shimmers and shine. Like, these are more metallic. You can see that this has a sheen to it. This one has glitter in it. I mean, so this, if you're a matte lover, you're probably not going to enjoy this palette. But if you like shiny and sparkly like me, you're gonna love it. The color story, I think, is beautiful. I think that it's diverse enough to create different things. Is this the favorite look that I've created with one palette? Probably not, but I think it turned out okay. I think that it's fine, it's wearable. So I don't really have anything else to say. I do love this brand, IBY. I think that they make really great eyeshadows. Their formulas are really great, and the palette that I had before wore beautifully. So I'm expecting that this will too. But that is all I have to say about this palette. Let me know what your thoughts are on this palette. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.